So this is all about waves, and examples of waves are things like light and sound and water waves, and all waves carry energy from one place to another, and they can also carry information, but they don't carry matter. And there are two types of waves you need to know about. The first one is transverse waves, and transverse waves look a little bit like that. So they've got oscillations, and the oscillations are at 90 degrees to the direction of the wave. And light is an example of a transverse wave. The other type of wave is longitudinal, and longitudinal waves go like that. They've got oscillations, but the oscillations are in the same direction as the movement of the wave, and an example of that, sound waves, are longitudinal waves. You also need to know about seismic waves, which are earthquake waves. Some of them are transverse and some of them are longitudinal, and we'll look at that in another clip. There are three features of a wave you need to know about. Frequency, now that's the number of waves that arrive every second, and that's measured in hertz. There's wavelength, which is the distance between two crests which are next to each other, or two troughs which are next to each other. And then there's the amplitude, that's the maximum distance of a point on the wave from its rest position, and that's shown by the little letter A. Now there are two equations about waves which you need to know about. The first one connects the speed of a wave with its wavelength and its frequency, and that equation is speed equals wavelength times frequency. The other equation you need to know connects speed, distance and time, and it's the distance, speed, time equation, and that's speed equals distance that a wave travels divided by the time taken to travel that distance.